also joining us live from the ground situation is Dipesh Tripathi. Dipesh, you saw this entire drama unfolding in front of your eyes. You saw when the hostages were taken. You saw the parents, worried parents waiting down there and the police coming in. Do give us a timeline of what happened from the beginning and do tell us who this man is. What is the information you have right now?
Yes, this incident started at today morning at 10 a.m. when this 100 kids around went to the studio for the auditions. After that, this guy has taken 15 to 20 kids into the custody and kidnapped them. And his name was Rohit. He has his YouTube channel. He is working over the studio. Right now, we have person who is a witness over here, eyewitness over here. We try to bring. Sir,
पेरेंट्स को ये सुबह से नहीं, ये पिछले 6 दिनों से लोग ऑडिशन ले रहे थे, बच्चों को बुला रहे थे, छोटे छोटे बच्चे थे उसमें, और इसी बच्चों को पेरेंट्स लोगों को ऐसा लगता है भविष्य में कोई बच्चों को अपने पिक्चर में काम मिलेगा करके ये सभी बच्चे लोग यहाँ पर आते थे। सवेरे 10 बजे से लेकर 8 बजे तक यहाँ पर रखते थे, तो दोपहर में खाने खाने के टाइम इनको भेजते थे। तो आज खाना खाने के टाइम इनको भेजा नहीं, तो मुंबई पुलिस को कुछ उन्होंने फोन किया होगा, उनकी कोई डिमांड रहेगी, अभी वो पुलिस को ही मालूम।
सर, ये कौन था व्यक्ति और क्यों किया था इसने?
अभी पता नहीं, लेकिन जो रोहित आर्या करके बंदा था तो उसी ने किया होगा, उसका ही नाम था।
ये रोहित
क्या करता था?
के लिए बुला रहा था, रोहित खुद ऑडिशन के
नहीं,
लिए
कैसा ये खुद ऑडिशन करता था, ऑडिशन के लिए बुलाता था, बस इतना ही मालूम है। बाकी इसका क्या डिमांड था वो पुलिस को मालूम, लेकिन इतने कम समय में पुलिस ने आके बहुत अच्छा काम किया है।
इसने कितने बच्चों को बंधक बनाया था?
अभी तो 20 बच्चे थे, 20। हाँ।
और क्या वजह थी बंधक बनाने की?
वो तो हमको नहीं मालूम, वो तो हमको नहीं मालूम।
सर, रोहित को बच्चे के पेरेंट्स कब से जानते थे, क्या कहेंगे?
नहीं, कैसा है, अभी देखो ऑडिशन के लिए सभी पेरेंट्स लोगों को मुंबई से बुलाया जाता था, पूरे पेरेंट्स लोगों को मुंबई से बुलाया जाता था। तो अभी कौन कहाँ से आ रहा है वो तो अपने को कुछ मालूम नहीं, बच्चे सब सही सलामत है। बच्चों को हम लोग मिले भी, बच्चे बहुत अच्छे हैं, बच्चे बहुत घबराए हुए हैं, लेकिन मुंबई पुलिस ने उन बच्चों को बहुत अच्छे से अभी काम नहीं, ये स्टूडियो है, ये पिक्चर का स्टूडियो बनाया, देखा आपने, तो स्टूडियो में ऑडिशन लेते थे। हाँ।
रोहित आर्या कब से था यहाँ पे, ये बताइए।
नहीं, वो सब पेरेंट्स को किसी को मालूम नहीं, वो सब पुलिस ही आपको बता सकता है।
So definitely the Rohit who was taking audition from last 4 to 5 days of this kids, but what he was actually wanted, what he was actually demanding, what he wanted from the police or from the parents, this is still a question which police will try to figure out, and they'll try to know what is the motive behind this. But as we came to know that these auditions were going on from last 4 to 5 days, and here he has been taken into the custody. He has been taken to the hospital where the treatment is going on, and right now all the children who were kidnapped by this person are safe. The most important thing, all children are safe.
Right, absolutely. This is the most important thing, and the Mumbai police has confirmed that all children have been safely rescued from the spot. The man Rohit Arya has been detained. The police are talking to him and trying to find out why he took such a step and if actually he is mentally unstable or not. Let's listen to what Rohit Arya was demanding and what he was saying about this hostage situation.
मैं रोहित आर्या, सुसाइड करने की जगह मैंने एक प्लान बनाया और कुछ बच्चों को इधर हॉस्टेज रखा है। मेरे को ज़्यादा डिमांड्स नहीं है, बहुत सिंपल डिमांड्स है, बहुत मॉरल डिमांड्स है, बहुत एथिकल डिमांड्स है, और मेरे कुछ सवाल है। मुझे कुछ लोगों से बात करनी है, उनको सवाल पूछने हैं, उनके जवाब पर अगर मुझे काउंटर क्वेश्चन है तो मुझे काउंटर क्वेश्चन पूछना है, लेकिन मुझे ये जवाब चाहिए। मुझे दूसरा कुछ नहीं चाहिए। ना मैं टेररिस्ट हूँ, ना मेरी बहुत बड़ी पैसों की डिमांड है, कुछ भी पैसों की डिमांड तो है ही नहीं, इमोरल तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। सिंपल कॉन्वर्सेशंस करने हैं, और जिसके लिए मैं इन बच्चों को हॉस्टेज लिया है। ये मैंने एक प्लान के तहत ही हॉस्टेज लिया है। लेट्स चेंज 4 मैं सच में करने वाला हूँ। अगर ज़िंदा रहा तो मैं करूँगा, अगर मैं मर गया तो कोई और करेगा, लेकिन होगा ज़रूर। इन्हीं बच्चों के साथ होगा अगर इनको हार्म नहीं होता है तो, बिकॉज द स्लाइटेस्ट रॉन्ग मूव फ्रॉम योर एंड विल ट्रिगर मी कि मैं ये पूरा जगह को आग लगा दूँ और उसमें मर जाऊँ। मैं मर जाऊँ या नहीं मर जाऊँ, बच्चे अननेसेसरी हर्ट होंगे, ट्रॉमाटाइज डेफिनेटली होंगे। उसके ऊपर कुछ होगा तो मुझे पता नहीं, उसका जिम्मेदार मुझे ना गिना जाए, उसका ज़िम्मेदार उन लोगों को गिना जाए जो अननेसेसरी ये ट्रिगर कर रहे हैं, जबकि एक नॉर्मल कॉमन पर्सन सिर्फ बात करना चाहता है। मेरी बातें ख़त्म होने के बाद मैं खुद ही बाहर आऊँगा। मैं अकेला नहीं हूँ, मेरे साथ और भी लोग हैं। कई सारे लोगों को ये परेशानियाँ हैं और ये मैं सल्यूशन देने वाला हूँ सिर्फ बातें करके। प्लीज़ डू नॉट ट्रिगर मी टू डू सम हार्म to anybody.
And now we'll head back to India Today's Dipesh Tripathi, who continues to be at the place where this entire hostage drama unfolded. Dipesh, you know, it is quite surprising how this man took almost 20 children hostage, and after that recorded a video and released it as well. He's making many claims in this video. He even warns of harm to the children. But what are the parents saying over there? Well, it seems he's not been able to connect with us, but we'll try and get Dipesh as soon as we can. But the video that you are seeing on your screens is of Rohit Arya. Rohit Arya is the man who took 20 children hostage, who had come to the studio where he was holding some auditions. He runs a YouTube channel. He's a teacher who teaches acting over there. And it seems that when he released this video, he claimed that the children could be harmed. He said that instead of committing suicide, he made this plan. He said that he wanted to talk to certain people. What are the questions that he wants to ask? Nobody knows. Who are these people he wants to talk to? Right now, nobody knows. But the police are trying to get to the bottom of this entire issue. The police are interrogating this man, they're talking to him, and they're trying to ascertain whether this man is sane or not. The actions that he undertook, were they taken under some sort of a distress, duress? What was the reason? The video that we see is of a man, Rohit Arya, who is a teacher in that very studio where 20 students ranging from the age of 10 to 15 were taken hostage in the afternoon. The children have all been rescued. They are safe. They're with their parents. But it was a harrowing time for the parents who you see on the screen, who were waiting downstairs under the building, waiting for their children to come out. Auditions were being held for the last 5 to 6 days in this building, in this studio, as we were told by an eyewitness. The eyewitness told us that the children used to come there every morning at around 10 in the morning, and the auditions used to continue till about 8 in the evening. They were given time to go and have their lunch, as in a lunch break was given to them sometime in the afternoon. But today, children did not come out for that lunch break. 100 students had gone in for their auditions. 80 had already come out. 20 were remaining inside the building. And that's when the parents started getting worried. When they tried to approach the studio, when they tried to get to their children, they could not approach them. They were stopped. This man was holding them hostage, the children. And that's when the police was contacted. According to the eyewitnesses, the police was quick in coming to the location. And joining us now are India Today's Dipesh Tripathi, who is at the location where this drama unfolded, and also Mustafa Sheikh. Dipesh, coming first to you, do tell us what's happening right now at Ground Zero.
Yes, the most important thing that the children who were kidnapped by the robbers, they were rescued, and as you can see, a cop who came out, his dress is filled with blood. The blood we can see on his police dress. He tried to save the children. The kidnapper was nabbed by the police. According to the eyewitness who are here, they are saying that kidnapper's name was Rohit, and he was over here for last 4 to 5 days. He was conducting an auditions of the children, and today morning when hundreds of children came, he let go 80 of the children, and 15 to 20 children were kept inside over here on the first floor only, and he has certain demands. But what what his demand was is still unknown, because right now he has been taken into the hospital. Police has nabbed him. He has been taken into the hospital for the primary treatment, and after that, police will now in a short span of time they will come out, and they will exactly interact with the media. They will tell us what exactly happened, what was the motive behind him. All the right now most important thing, the सर आप अंदर थे? सर आप अंदर थे?
जी बताइए
अंदर नहीं थी।
सर क्या हुआ था थोड़ा बताएं।
ठीक है चलो जाओ यार आप सब।
So definite. So he was over present here, but he's not in a state to speak. But most important thing, all the children who are rescued and they all are safe. Police is just trying to make the children calm down, because they are a little bit scared, because they were kept as a hostage from since the morning, and the auditions were going on from last to 4 to 5 days. Parents are taking their children to this RA studio for the auditions, but certainly today this shocking incident took place when a person named Rohit, who was working over here, he kidnapped 15 to 20 children. These children belong to age group of 10 to 15, and the parents were very scared.